Hey, welcome back. In this episode, we are going to contrast going to with will, so you can clearly see the difference. 1. Will expresses what we think will happen in the future. It shows our prediction of the future. What we think will probably happen based on our analysis, pure prediction. Whereas we use going to show that something is inevitably going to happen. We know it either because it's too obvious or because we have plenty of similar experience to back it up. For example, it will probably be a very cold winter. This is our prediction. Don't drive so fast, you're going to crash. This is an obvious fact. That's what often happens when people drive too fast. They tend to crash. So prediction of the future versus inevitable future. 2. We only use will to show spontaneous decisions. We never use going to in this case. For example, somebody pick up the phone. I will get it. I will get it is not your future intention. It is a spontaneous decision. You cannot say, somebody pick up the phone. I'm going to get it. That's impossible. For spontaneous decisions, only use will. 3. We often use going to express our intentions, what we intend to do, what we plan to do with simple future. We can't show our intentions. For example, law is not my thing. I think I'm going to drop out. That's our intention, not a prediction, not an obvious thing. It's just what we intend to do, right? Let's take a look at another example. You have bought a new car. What are you going to do with your old one? This one is clearly about your intention, about your plans. All right, that's it for now. Stay tuned.